Now using the field editor is pretty straightforward. What it does, it adds additional fields to the default WooCommerce checkout page, as well as the PeachPay checkout window. So first off, we have 3 fields: billing, shipping, and additional. And adding fields to any of these categories will add a field to the corresponding area. Billing for billing, shipping for shipping, and additional for additional. Next, we have these checkboxes, which allow you to interact with multiple fields at once. So if you check a box, you can choose to remove, enable, or disable the boxes. So let's go ahead and remove this one. Remove is the same thing as delete, so I'll just press remove. And you can see that field is now removed. So let's go ahead and create a new field. We'll delete this one as well, just to demonstrate it. So when you add a field, it works the same way for billing, shipping, and additional. So I'm just going to show you through billing. So when you click on add a new field, you get this field details window that pops up, and you can choose your type: text, select radio, phone, email, checkbox, and header. We're going to leave it on text because it's the easiest to see. You need a name for your billing field. This name area just corresponds to this name. You want it to be unique, and what shows on the actual window itself, what your customer sees, is what you put in a label. So let's go ahead and add a new field. We'll name it billing test. The label will be test custom field. You can add a default value, which is the value that is submitted if your customer doesn't put anything into the field. And you can edit the width. We'll put this at 50%. We have 2 more checkboxes here, required and enabled. So required means that your customer will have to have a value in order to proceed, and enabled enables the field in the checkout window. So we'll go ahead and just click enabled and submit. So once we've done that, let's take a look at our checkout window. So if we go into our shop, we can select black hoodie, click the express checkout button, and we can see that that test custom field here has that 50% like we wanted and is added to our billing area. If we go ahead, we have the custom field in the WooCommerce checkout area and also the PeachPay checkout window. We want the same information being passed along to the backend, just so we make sure that no matter which option the customer uses, we'll get the same information. So I've already gone ahead and added additional fields to the shipping and billing. So let's take a look at what I've added. We have shipping test here, and for additional, we have additional text. So let's go ahead and look at what that looks like. So in the WooCommerce area, we have that checkmark test because I made the shipping field that I added a checkbox type. So we have it here, and our additional field is right here. If we go into the PeachPay checkout window, we'll quickly have to enter some information. Go ahead and press continue. And if we have different shipping details, we can see here that that checkbox is now a toggle switch, which essentially acts in the same way and is shown under our shipping area. Our additional information field is right here, and we can type that in. One more thing to keep in mind is that this information will be passed along to the merchant, but won't affect anything like taxes or rates or anything like that.